That's it, Griffith Park. You win. I ain't walking up another hill. What up, what up, what up? Right now we are at Griffith Park. I came out here to find the old Los Angeles Zoo. I seen a couple vlogs online. They said you could come up here, walk around. You can even get in the cages where the animals used to live in and everything. So we are here, we're gonna walk around. I heard it's like a mile walk. So I'm gonna flip this camera around. Y'all go on the journey with me. Everybody here walking the dogs and whatnot. It's actually a beautiful day in California today. Very sunny out. I just asked a young lady how I get there. She told me just follow these benches and it'll take me right there. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with a long walk. But it's just starting out. So apparently the information I got online was actually wrong. It's like a 5-minute walk to this part of the zoo right here. So if you come out here to Griffith Park and you park out here by the merry-go-round, this be the first part of the zoo you see right here. I'm about to pull my drone out, get some good footage. See a couple people up there already taking videos and pictures. Oh, they're out there filming something. It says site of the old zoo. So what they had here? Okay, this is where they had look like polar bears. Okay, so this is where the polar bears were at. So this is pretty cool. Try to get up in here before I bust my tail jumping up on these rocks. Oh man. Let's go up there. So can you open that? No, you can't. You can't open that. Okay. See they got on this side over here. Looks like pretty much the same thing. They got the little cage. Something goes on up there. All right, so we'll keep walking around so we can find the other enclosures as well. All right, so we didn't film the polar bear section now. So we're gonna go on up this hill, see if we can find some more of these cages and the rest of this zoo. Hopefully we can get some good footage. I'm wondering what they kept up in here. It's kind of big. That one. Oh no. Maybe kept some birds or some monkeys up in here. There goes some stuff over there. Yeah, and this is just right around the corner from where the polar bears was. It's like a 2-minute walk to get to these cages. People end up breaking up in there. They got a new lock up on it. So they got a lock on there so you can't even get up in them. Okay. I was kind of hoping I can catch one without a lock on it. Oh, hold up. This one right here has an opening. Well, all right. I wish they had a sign that can tell you what was in here. Alright, so we just got by those anonymous cages. I don't know what was in there. First cage looked like some birds. I don't know what was in the other ones. This trail leads up here. See a lot of graffiti back there. make sure you bring some hiking boots and some very comfortable shoes. This is like some kind of supposed to be like a dam or something. Got a lot of water in it. I don't know which way to go. It's just trails after trails. What's this right here? Some kind of cage. Maybe it's to keep the power or something. I don't know. It's been busted in, been broken into, or whatever was in there busted out. I don't know what that is. Alright, so let's just follow this trail this way over here. See what's going on over here. Look, walking up all these hills, my brother is out of breath. Look at that view. That's the city over there. I started way down there. I'll tell you what, if they had any lions up in here and one trying to attack me right now, I wouldn't even run. I'm too tired, I'm out of breath. He'd tear me up right now. I just let him eat me. I know I taste delicious. I know I do. I bet you he'd lick his paws when he's done with me. I'm too tired to run. He'd have a nice, delicious meal right now. Let's keep walking. If this was a zoo, it's just crazy because I feel like all the attractions must be spread out so far. But so far I only came across 3, and I've been walking. Keep seeing coyotes. I think they're stalking me. I'm out here looking real delicious right now. This is the 5th coyote I ain't seen. But I leave this the one. He done ran past me. He followed me. Nope. Ain't doing it. I've been out here an hour already. I'm done. Well, Griffith Park, you win. Y'all have defeated your boy today. I walked around one of them corners, ran right into a coyote. He got the growling and snarling. I said, nah, that is a sign right there. Your boy is out. So y'all come out here at your own risk. It's a lot of trails. To me, they ain't got enough signs to let you know where you're going. I don't know if I missed a lot of the more old zoo attractions or not, but I'm looking like a snack I heard to these coyotes. I'm going home. Like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces.